everyone, let's have a look on this new chapter. This chapter is going to be about three root verbs which can cause a lot of confusion while speaking. तो मैं बताती हूँ आपको वो words कौन कौन से हैं. So the three words are have, has and had. Had तो I think सबको पता होता है कि ये past form है, तो इसमें उतनी confusion नहीं होती जितनी have और has पे होती है. But हम ये तीनों के बीच में जो confusion होती रहती है उसको we are going to solve today. So let's have a look at have. Have, like other two, is the base form or the root form of verb. अब base form और root form क्या होता है? Base form and root form are the words जिसमें ed, s या ing नहीं लगा होता. For example, have का second form होगा having, haves, haves and haves not वाला haves. ठीक है, तो ये base form है, right? Have कहाँ पे यूज हो सकता है मैं आपको ये बता देती हूँ, and if you remember this then you will be always be able to form any kind of sentence correctly. So always remember that have is used with I, you, we, they or any plural noun. Plural noun क्या हो गए? Children, students, okay? तो जो भी plural nouns है उनके साथ have use होगा and in words के साथ. I'll show you how. Let's see the examples. I have sent you some flowers. You have a headache. They have completed the task. Now, I'd like to tell you one more thing. Have के साथ third form of verb भी use हो सकता है. Third form is जिसमें ed आ गया, right? Past form जो है वो use हो सकती है. Have के साथ भी, has के साथ भी and had के साथ भी. Just remember that, okay? Then, I have met you somewhere. I have to go to a party. तो ये आप present time के लिए use करते हैं या फिर आप past को भी indicate करने के लिए ये आप have का use कर सकते हैं, okay? बस आपको ये याद रखना है, you just have to remember these things. You have to remember I, you, we, they, plural noun. Wherever ये words हैं, आपको have का use करना है, okay? Now let's see कि have को question में कैसे use करना है. Have you slept? Again, slept is the third form. It's a past form. You can use have with this. Negative, अब negative क्या होता है? Where you say have not. जैसे हमने does not, did not करा था वैसे ही have not. So उसका compressed form हुआ haven't. No, I haven't slept. Again, question एक और देखते हैं. We have it with us, right? अब ये different कैसे है? इसमें we are telling a statement. We have it with us and then we say right, then we put a question mark. तो ये आप express करते हुए बोलते हैं, right? इसको लिखते हुए तो समझ में आ ही जाता है, but how will you say this? You'll say we have it, right? जो आपके expressions होते हैं वो ही question है, कैसे है ये पता लगाते हैं. So always give the right expressions while speaking because that also helps conveying your message. Now let's see few of negative sentences, okay? I haven't seen such a beautiful dress anywhere. I haven't seen you in a very long time. We haven't watched the movie. Again, आप past form लगा सकते हैं haven't के साथ, okay? When we ask questions using have, तब हम क्या करते हैं? I mean, what are the rules when we ask question using have? So what are the rules that we have to use? Mostly have पहले आता है subject से, right? Have plus subject. Have I, have you, have they. Again, I, you, they. ये वही same use हो रहा है rule जो कि हमने बात करी थी कि I, you, they, we and plural noun, right? So, have plus subject. But there are some instances like this one where have can come anywhere, right? जैसे इसमें हमने normal एक sentence बोला, we have it with us. अगर यहाँ full stop लगा देते तो ये एक sentence है अपने आप में, right? तो but यहाँ हमने कॉमा डाल के right लिखा, it became a question, okay? So these are some rules that you can follow कि have हमेशा आगे आएगा अगर एक simple question form में use करना है. Examples are have we met before? Have you received the flowers? Have you met my parents? Okay? So it's that easy. Now let's come on to has. हैव एंड हैज में बहुत कंफ्यूजन्स रहती ही है. जनरली हम क्या करते हैं, बिकॉज वी नो बोथ ऑफ देम आर प्रेजेंट टेंसेस, तो हम उनको इंटरचेंज कर देते हैं. समटाइम्स वेयर वी हैव टू यूज हैव, we sometimes use has. So there is a little bit of confusion, but it can be solved with a very simple trick. जैसे हमने have में बात करी थी कि I, you, they, we लगता है, वैसे ही इसमें he, she, it, who and all the singular pronouns. इसका यूज जहां पर भी होगा उसके साथ has लगेगा, have नहीं लगेगा, he have नहीं होगा, he has होगा. Okay? Let's see. Anu has the charger. Okay? ये सिंगुलर प्रोनाउन है. ओके, नेम का यूज हुआ है, दैट इज व्हाई अनु हैज द चार्जर. अनु हैव द चार्जर नहीं होगा. इट्स ग्रामेटिकली अनकरेक्ट, बट इफ एट ऑल अगर आपके मुंह से ऐसा कुछ निकल जाता है, दैट्स ओके. जस्ट बी कॉन्फिडेंट इफ यू हैव मेड दिस मिस्टेक इन योर पास्ट, बट नाउ यू कैन सॉल्व इट विद दिस वेरी सिंपल ट्रिक. ओके, रणवीर हैज बिकम अ फेमस एक्टर. माई कैट हैज दिस वियर्ड स्कार ऑन इट्स हेड. She has a nice collection of books. Okay. Now negative sentence by using has. Has का negative होगा has not. Compressed form will be hasn't. He hasn't submitted the papers. Again the same rule कि आप he, she, it, who any single noun के साथ hasn't का use कर सकते हैं, and also you can use past tense of any verb. Okay. He hasn't submitted the papers. Risha hasn't given me her number. She hasn't cooked food. My dog hasn't done that. Okay? So these are some examples for negative sentences with hasn't. Okay, now how do you ask question by using has in a sentence? Has he? Again, similar to how we use have, just that we change these. Has he, has she, has it. Okay, but only with the word who. Has will come afterwards. जैसे इन सब में has पहले आ रहा है, but who के साथ कभी भी has पहले नहीं आएगा, right? So who has done that, right? So let's see some of the examples. Has he finished the homework? Has she gone crazy? Has Rita called you? Who has my cell phone, right? तो who के बाद आता है has. Okay, I hope that's clear because that was very simple. It's just that you have to remember this, and in have you have to remember I, you, they, we. Okay. Now let's move on to had. So had is the past tense of has and have. ये तो हम सबको पता है कि D आ गया तो इन दोनों का past tense ही होगा, right? तो it is used for both singular and plural subject. Easy. मतलब जहां पे have and has दोनों यूज होते हैं, वहां पे had हर जगह यूज हो सकता है. आई होप दैट्स क्लियर कि I, you, we, they, he, she, it or any singular noun, pronoun or any plural noun or pronoun. Example, let's see the examples. I had told you to come on time. We had a grand party at home. He had a fight with her. It had 2 water bottles in it. Okay. Now let's see how we form negatives. Again, had के साथ जब not लगाते हैं तो it is called hadn't. अब I would really suggest कि आप हमेशा जब बात करें तो when we are speaking, always use the compressed form. As I told you in the do, does, did chapter, right? उसमें भी मैंने आपको यही बोला था कि जब not लगाते हैं तो compressed form में बोले, that sounds more polished. Okay? So don't say had not. Always use hadn't, haven't, hasn't, right? You hadn't cooked the food well. Hadn't मतलब पहले जो बनाया था, उस दिन जो खाना बनाया था वो ठीक से नहीं बना. Okay? Rashi hadn't dressed well in that party. We hadn't sent them an invitation. Okay? इस तरीके से आप had का यूज कर सकते हैं in a negative way. Making questions. Now अगेन क्वेश्चंस के बारे में बात करते हैं. क्वेश्चन कैसे बनते हैं? सो मेकिंग क्वेश्चंस विद हैड. लेट्स सी द एग्जांपल्स. व्हाट इफ आई हैड डन दैट. अब अगेन आप आई हैड को जब आप बोलते हैं तो व्हाट इफ आई हैड डन दैट तो थोड़ा कंप्रेस करके बोलेंगे. व्हाइल स्पीकिंग दैट लुक्स मच बेटर. डू यू रिमेंबर द फूड दे हैड कुक्ड. ओके, सो अगेन आपने इसमें नोटिस करा होगा दैट आई हैव यूज्ड हैड एंड देन पास्ट टेंस, राइट? पास्ट टेंस ऑफ द वर्ब. तो ऐसे यूज किया जाता है. हैज के साथ भी, हैव के साथ भी एंड हैड के साथ भी. आई होप ऑल दीज 3 H's आर क्लियर टू यू, बिकॉज इस पे बहुत सारी मिस्टेक्स होती हैं. एंड आई थिंक विद दिस सिंपल रूल ऑफ सब्जेक्ट्स, where to use it, how to use it, you can really be comfortable while speaking and including have, has, had. Okay? That's it for this chapter. I'll see you in the next one.